In example 2, we're going to determine if the sequence of numbers is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. So if it's arithmetic, we're going to be adding the same thing each time, and you could be adding a negative. And for geometric, we're going to be multiplying by the same thing. You could be multiplying by a number less than 1, like 1/2 or 1/3. If we look at the first one, it looks like we add 7 each time. So this one is arithmetic. And for your justification, you could say you're adding the same thing each time. The next one, we're multiplying by -3. So this one's going to be geometric. And your justification would be, well, the definition of geometric sequence is you multiply by the same thing, and here you do. It's -3. Part C, we're dividing by 2, or we're going to say multiply by 1/2. Excuse me, we don't even need to write that. And so we're multiplying by the same thing, even though it's 1/2, so it's geometric. Part D is a little tricky. If we look here, we have common denominators of 3, and we're going to change 4 into a number over 3. Well, 12 over 3 is 4. We've got 13 over 3, 14 over 3, 5 is 15 over 3, and then we've got 16 over 3. So you can see here that each time we're adding 1 to the numerator, the denominator is staying the same. We're adding 1/3. It's not the only way to do this one. You could change 13 over 3 to a mixed number, 14 over 3 to a mixed number, and so on. And you're going to find that you're going to be adding 1/3 each time. So because we're adding the same thing each time, this one's arithmetic. With part E, we would add 1, then add 2, then add 3. Although there's a pattern there, actually we're not adding the same thing, so it's not arithmetic. And for this one, we'd multiply by 2, but then this position would have to be 8 for it to be geometric. So it'd be neither. Your justification could be you don't add or multiply by the same thing, so it can't be arithmetic or geometric. With part F, it looks like we are subtracting 6 each time, or adding a -6. Because we're adding the same thing, this one's arithmetic.